How are you today? I am doing great. Thanks. What's your name? My name is Hassan. Where are you from? I am from Canada. Where do you live? I live downtown. How old are you? I am 24 years old. What do you do? I am an office worker. Are you busy today? No, I am free. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. What time is it? It's 9:30. Where are you going? I am going home. Are you hungry now? Yes, a little. Do you like coffee? Yes, every morning. Can you drive? Yes, I can. What's your hobby? Reading interesting books. Do you exercise often? Yes, every morning. Who is calling you? My friend is. Do you have siblings? Yes, 4 brothers. Where is your office? Near the college. What are you doing? I am studying English. Can you swim well? Yes, very well. Do you watch movies? Yes, every weekend. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I am. Where is your school? Near the mosque. Can I sit here? Yes, please do. Do you enjoy music? Yes, very much. Who is your teacher? My teacher, Imran Khan. What's today's day? It's Monday today. Do you have homework? Yes, I do. Can you cook dinner? Yes, I can. What color is this? It's dark blue. Do you feel happy? Yes, always. Where is the bus stop? Near Amazon office. Can we start now? Yes, let's begin. What do you usually eat? I eat vegetables. Do you work today? Yes, until 4. Are you ready now? Yes, I am ready. Have a nice weekend. Thank you. You too. See you tomorrow. Yes, see you. Where do you work? I work downtown. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, very much. Can you open this? Yes, I can. Why are you smiling? I feel happy. Who is your best friend? Ali is mine. Do you have children? Yes, one daughter. Can I ask something? Yes, please do. What's your favorite sport? I like football. Do you play tennis? Yes, on weekends. Where is your family? They are at home. Can you hear me? Yes, very clearly. What are you eating? I am eating breakfast. Do you study daily? Yes, every evening. Who is your neighbor? A friendly teacher. Can you wait here? Yes, no problem. Why are you tired? I worked late. Do you wear glasses? Yes, every day. Where is the supermarket? Next to bank. What's your phone number? I will send it. Can you read English? Yes, very well. Subscribe.